Now we are going to go further into a very important exercise that I had been talking about, the body-mind connection exercise. This exercise is going to give you deep insights about your own body and what emotions it is holding on to, which is creating certain disease in your body. So are you all ready? Again, I want you to sit for this meditation. Okay? The aches and the pains and the illness in our bodies often reflect mental emotional patterns that are happening inside us. Like, in so many sessions, I share this with people. When they say they have diabetes, I say that emotionally you are feeling very bitter. When they say that I have thyroid, I tell them that emotionally you are feeling, when will I get my chance? When they say I am overweight, I ask them, are you constantly feeling insecure? Why? Because all these feelings are the root cause of the kind of diseases we are feeling or we are experiencing. First place, the mind gets contaminated, and then does the body. So we think that because my body is not feeling well, I am thinking the thoughts that I shouldn't be thinking, and I emotionally am not feeling good. But it always starts from reverse, that you stopped feeling good, or you just started having thoughts that were very negative, and the illness in your body started to occur. It's such a slow process that we cannot see it, we cannot experience it, we cannot feel it or can become aware of. But once you know this, once you'll connect with your body, you will know this for sure, how you have started to really create disease in your body. Okay? It's very powerful. We are going to begin this section on the body-mind connection with an exercise that will help you to get in touch with your body and what it is saying to you. Do we ever listen to our body actually? No, we don't. Let's do the meditation. Close your eyes and sit up. Close your eyes gently, take a few deep breaths and allow your body to relax. Feel a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Become aware of your breathing. Allow the gentle in and out of your breath to take you into a deeper and quieter place. Now become aware of a place in your body that needs your attention. Perhaps it feels tense or painful or uncomfortable. Let your attention go to that part of your body. What is the emotion being held there? Now imagine that this part of your body has a voice and it can speak to you. Silently ask it what the discomfort is about. Listen patiently for the answer. Then ask what you can do to release the discomfort. Then if you can reach that place easily, place your hand on it. Imagine that you are breathing into the infinite well of love in your own heart and then breathing that love down your arm and into your hand and into the part of your body that needs it. Continue doing that until you can feel a relaxation or easing of the discomfort. Our bodies are such wonderful feedback devices. They will tell us everything we need to know if only we ask and listen. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. What did your body tell you? Is the pain or discomfort less now? Trust me, when I did this exercise for the first time, I heard my body literally crying out that you are holding so much of guilt, anger, and fear in your body. You are so resentful. You are so insecure. You are constantly self-sabotaging. You are constantly in a war zone. How can you expect me to feel comfortable when you, in your mind, is constantly creating such emotions and feelings? My body told me, actually told me how it is feeling, unloved and tortured by how my mind is working. I want you to really become aware of it. I want you to journal down each and everything that you became aware of. If you need to, go back and do this exercise again and become aware. Maybe first time you did not become aware enough, then second time you will go even more deeper. But I want you to really, really listen to what your body says. This is an important part for all of you who are having any kind of issues physically, any diseases that you are facing right now. Please do not take this exercise lightly. This is one of the most powerful exercise I've ever been experiencing. Trust me on that, okay?